Is it going to rain today?
The forecast says it might later this afternoon.
Are you still going to the store?
Yes, I'll be leaving in about 20 minutes.
What did you do over the weekend?
I went to a friend's house and we played games.
How was your day at school?
It was okay, a bit boring.
Have you finished your book?
Not yet, but I'm almost done.
What do you want for your birthday?
Nothing. Just your company is enough.
Can you believe this weather?
I know, it's beautiful.
What's for dinner tonight?
We're having tacos.
How was your trip?
It was amazing. I loved it.
Did you find your keys?
Yes, they were in my pocket the whole time.
What's the plan for tomorrow?
I'm not sure yet. We'll see.
Are you getting cold?
A little bit, yeah.
Can I borrow a pen?
Sure, here you go.
What's your favorite type of coffee?
I like a good latte.
Did you enjoy the movie?
Yes, it was really funny.
What are you reading?
A fantasy novel.
How are you feeling today?
Much better, thank you.
What's the weather like?
It's a bit cloudy.
Are you free for lunch?
I am. What time were you thinking?
What's new?
Not much, same old.
How was your weekend?
It was great, very relaxing.
Can you help me with this?
I can try. What do you need?
What time are we meeting?
Let's meet at 7 p.m.
How did the meeting go?
It was productive.
Do you have any plans for tonight?
Just staying in and watching a movie.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I could eat something.
What did you do today?
I went for a walk.
Did you lock the door?
Oh, I think so. Let me check.
What's the Wi-Fi password?
It's Coffee Break 2025.
Are you free this weekend?
Yes, I am.
What should we watch?
How about that new sci-fi show?
What's your favorite color?
I really like green.
Have you eaten yet?
I just had a snack.
What's the temperature outside?
It's around 60 degrees.
Can I get you anything?
Just a cup of tea, please.
Did you get my message?
Yes, I did. I'll reply soon.
What time are you leaving?
Around 5:30.
How was work today?
It was a bit hectic.
Do you need a ride?
That would be great, thanks.
What kind of music do you like?
I'm into classic rock.
Can you turn down the volume?
Oh, sorry, of course.
Where did you get that?
I bought it online.
Are we still on for tomorrow?
Yup, wouldn't miss it.
What's the big news?
I got a new job.
Have you been here before?
No, first time.
What do you think?
I think it's a great idea.
Can you help me move this?
Sure, what is it?
Do you have any plans for the week?
Just catching up on some errands.
Are you coming?
I'm on my way now.
What's the best way to get there?
Taking the bus is probably easiest.
How do you feel about that?
I feel good about it.
Did you have a good time?
It was a blast.
Do you want to grab coffee?
I'd love to.
What are you listening to?
A new podcast episode.
Did you send that email?
Yes, I just sent it.
Is there anything else?
Nope, that's everything.
What's your plan for the weekend?
I'm going to a friend's house.
Are you getting tired?
A little. I might head home soon.
How long will it take?
About 20 minutes.
What time is the show?
It starts at 8 p.m.
Can you believe this weather?
I know, it's so sunny.
Did you remember the groceries?
Almost forgot. Thanks for the reminder.
How do I get to the store?
Take a right at the next street.
What's the occasion?
It's my anniversary.
Have you seen my glasses?
I think they're on the table.
What's the score?
It's tied, 1-1.
Did you hear back from them?
Not yet.
What's for dessert?
I made some cookies.
How was the movie?
It was really good. I liked the plot.
Can I borrow this?
Sure, go ahead.
What are you reading?
A historical fiction book.
Are you excited?
So excited.
What's wrong?
Nothing, just a little tired.
How did you learn to do that?
I watched a bunch of videos online.
Do you mind if I open the window?
Not at all. Go for it.
What's the password for this?
I think it's password 123.
How long have you been waiting?
About 15 minutes.
Did you find it?
Yes, thank you.
Where should we meet?
Let's meet at the usual spot.
What's the most important thing?
Staying healthy.
Do you know what time they close?
Around 9 p.m.
How's your family?
They're all doing well.
What's your plan for vacation?
I'm going to the beach.
Can you call me back later?
I will, for sure.
What are you thinking about?
Just thinking about my to-do list.
Have you ever tried this before?
No, first time.